हेलो गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टेक वीडियो का टॉपिक है वो इस हवाले से है कि आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको सारी डिटेल देने वाला हूँ कि व्हाट इज़ एडवर्टाइजमेंट प्रोसेस। मतलब हमें जो है वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट सबसे पहले कि इसका स्टेप क्या है, किस तरीके से हमें करनी चाहिए, इसका प्रोसेस क्या है, और उसके अलावा ये भी बताएंगे कि जो है एडवर्टाइजमेंट कहाँ कहाँ पर लग सकती है। फॉर एग्जांपल मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे, तो मतलब उसका टाइप क्या होना चाहिए, उसमें क्या क्या हमें नीड होनी चाहिए, तो सारी डिटेल मैं आपको अपनी वीडियो में देने वाला हूँ। वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर अंत तक लाजमी देखना, और अगर मेरी आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना, कमेंट करना, शेयर करना, और अगर मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करके साथ में बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाना। तो चलिए गाइस, बिना देर के हम अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो गाइस, जैसा कि आज का जो हमारा वीडियो का टॉपिक था वो इस हवाले से था कि आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको डिटेल देने वाला हूँ कि what is advertisement process। तो गाइज, यहाँ पर मैंने जो है वो अपना देखना है कि हमारा क्या प्रोसेस है फॉर एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए। मतलब हम अगर अपनी किसी भी जगह पे, फॉर एग्जांपल अपने जो है वो वेबसाइट पे कर दी, और उसके अलावा किसी भी मतलब जगह पे हमने अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट करनी है तो उसका स्टेप एंड गाइडनेस मैंने यहाँ पर हमारे पास आता है कि स्टेप्स इन एडवर्टाइजिंग। यहाँ पर हमारे पास आता है कि स्टेप्स इन एडवर्टाइजिंग process. Mass demand has been created almost entirely through the development of advertising। और उसके बाद हमारे पास एक आर्टिकल आता है कि for development of advertising and to get best results one need to follow the advertising process step by step। The following are the steps involved in the process of advertising. Number 1, step 1, briefing। The advertiser needs to brief about the product or the service which has to be advertised, and doing the SWOT analysis of the company and the product. Step number 2, knowing the objective. One should first know the objective or the purpose of advertising, and what message is to be delivered to the audience. Step number 3, research. This step involves finding out the market behavior, knowing the competitors, what type of advertising they are using, what is the response of the consumers, availability of the resources needed in the process, etc. Step 4, target audience. The next step is to identify the target consumers most likely to buy the product. The target should be appropriately identified without any confusion. And if the product is a health drink for growing kids, then the target customers will be the parents who are going to buy it, and not the kids who are going to drink it. Step number 5, media selection. Now that the target audience is identified, one should select an appropriate media for advertising so that the customers who are to be informed about the product and are willing to buy are successfully reached. Step number 6, setting the budget. Then the advertising budget. So guys, that the target audience is identified, one should select an appropriate media for advertising so that the customers who are to be informed about the product and are willing to buy are successfully reached. Step number 6, setting the budget. Then the advertising budget has to be planned so that there is no short of funds or excess of funds during the process of advertising, and also there are no losses to the company. Step number 7, designing and creating the ad. First, the design, that is the outline of ad on papers is made by the copywriters copywriters of the agency. Then the actual creation of ad is done with help of the art directors and the creative personnel of the agency. Step number 8, perfection. Then the created ad is re-examined and the ad is redefined to make it perfect to enter the market. Step number 9, place and time of ad. The next step is to decide where and when the ad will be shown. The place will be decided according to the target customers, where the ad is most visible clearly to them. The finalization of time on which the ad will be telecasted or shown on the selected media will be done by the traffic department of the agency. Step number 10, execution. Finally, the advertised is released with perfect creation, perfect placement, and perfect timing in the market. Step number 11, performance. The last step is to judge the performance of the ad in terms of the response from the customers, whether they are satisfied with the ad and the product. Did the ad reached all the targeted people? Was the advertise capable enough to compete with the other players, etc. Every point is studied properly and changes are made if any. If these steps are followed properly, then there has to be a successful beginning for the product is the market. उसके बाद गाइस हमारे पास आता है यहाँ पर ऑथरशिप रेफरेंसिंग अबाउट दी ऑथर. ये मतलब एक इसका आर्टिकल है या मतलब एड टाइप हम इसको बोल सकते हैं. उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है कि द आर्टिकल इज रिटन बाय प्रेची जोनेंजा एंड रिव्यूड बाय मैनेजमेंट स्टडी गाइड कंटेंट टीम. MSG content team comprises experienced faculty member professionals and subject matter experts. We are a ISO certified education provider. To know more click on about US. The use of this material is free for learning and education purpose. Please reference authorship of content used, including links to managementstudyguide.com and the content page URL. उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है कि एडवर्टाइजिंग टेक्निक्स. 13 मोस्ट कॉमन टेक्निक्स यूज्ड बाय द एडवर्टाइजर्स. टुडे एवरी कंपनी needs to advertise its product to inform the customers about the product, increase the sales, acquire market value, and gain reputation and name in the industry. Every business spends lot of money for advertising their products, but the money spent will lead to success only when the best techniques of advertising are used for the products. So here are some very common and most used techniques used by the advertisers to get desired results. उसके बाद गाइस हमारे पास आता है कि इमोशनल अपील. दिस टेक्निक ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग इज डन विथ हेल्प ऑफ 2 factors. Needs of consumers and fear factor. Most common appeals under need are: number 1, need for something new; number 2, need for getting acceptance; need for not being ignored; need for change of old things; need for security; need to become attractive, etc. Most common appeals under fear are fear of accident, fear of death, fear of being avoided, fear of getting sick, fear of getting old, etc. उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है कि promotional advertising. This technique involves giving away samples of the product for free to the consumers. The item are offered in the trade fairs promotional events and ad campaigns in order to gain the attention of the customers. Bandwagon advertising. This type of technique involves convincing the customers to join the group of people who have bought this product and be on the winning side. For e.g., recent Pantene shampoo ad which says 15 crores women trusted Pantene and you. Facts and statistics. Here advertisers use numbers, proof and real examples to show how good their product works. For e.g., Lysol floor cleaner cleans 99.99% germs, or Colgate is recommended by 70% of the dentists of the world, or Eno just 6 seconds. Unfinished ads. The advertisers here just play with words by saying that their product works better, but don't answer how much more than the competitor. For e.g., Lay's no one can eat just one, or Horlicks more nutrition daily. The ads don't say who can eat more or how much more nutrition. Visual words. In this technique, the advertisers don't say that they are the best from the rest, but don't also deny. E.g., Sunsilk hair fall solution reduces hair fall. The ad does not say stops hair fall. Number 7, endorsements. The advertisers use celebrities to advertise their products. The celebrities or star endorse the product by telling their own experience with the product. Recently, a diamond jewelry ad had superstar Amitabh Bachchan and his wife Jaya advertising the product. The ad showed how he impressed his wife by making a smart choice of buying this brand. Again, Sachin Tendulkar, a cricket star, endorsed for a show brand. इसके बाद हमारे पास आता है कि complimenting the customers. Here the advertisers used punch lines which compliment the consumers who buy their products. E.g., Revlon says because you are worth it. Ideas family and ideal kids. उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है कि the advertisers using the technique show that the families or kids using their product are a happy-go-lucky family. The ad always has a neat and well furnished home, well mannered kids, and the family is a simple and sweet kind of family. E.g., a Dettol soap ad shows everyone in the family using that soap, and so it's always protected from germs. They show a fluorescent color line covering whole body of each family member when compared to other people who don't use this soap. इसके बाद हमारे पास काफ़ी सारी ऐसी जो है वो नॉलेज के तहत हमारे पास आ जाती हैं, लेकिन ये सारी जो है हमारे पास आती है कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट का स्टेप बाय स्टेप, मतलब इन्होंने बताया कि हमारा जो स्टेप किस तरीके से होना चाहिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट का, और इसके लिए क्या क्या हमारा जो है वो प्रोसेस होना चाहिए, मतलब एडवर्टाइजमेंट में लिया एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए इन्होंने मैं जस्ट एक जो मैंने आपको बताया कि जैसे कि सनसिल्क था या इस टाइप के काफ़ी सारे शैम्पू सोप्स वगैरह या कोलगेट वगैरह, तो इन्होंने जो है अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट बताई। फॉर एग्जांपल दिया कि इस टाइप का अगर आप जो है वो यूज़ करेंगे या इतनी मैनेजमेंट करेंगे तो इसके हिसाब से आपका प्रोसेस होगा। तो उम्मीद है गाइस मेरी आपको ये वाली वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना, कमेंट करना, शेयर करना, और अगर मेरे चैनल पे नए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करके साथ में बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाना। तो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।